Banana Muffins recipe. Step 1. In a bowl, mash the 4 pieces of ripe banana. Step 2. Sift and measure up to 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Step 3. Add 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 2 teaspoons of baking powder and sift together, then set aside. Step 4. Cream 2 tablespoons of salted butter until fluffy and add 1½ cups of sugar gradually. Step 5. Add 3 whole eggs at a time and continue mixing after each addition. Add 3/4 cup of evaporated milk, 3/4 cup of coconut oil, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Step 6. Add only dry ingredients in fourths. Step 7. Put the mashed banana. Pour into muffin pans with paper cups. Put in a preheated oven at 160 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. And done!